Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin right now. Confirm you have the garden area unlocked and one cleared plot. This is required so objects can spawn. Once done, gather 3 fertilizer, 2 water charges, and a shovel because these resources trigger seed growth events that lead to the magnifying glass. Make sure to speak with the botanist and accept the lens request quest. This flags the game to spawn special interactive plants. Do not idle. Start planting immediately to start the spawn timer. You now execute the precise planting sequence because order matters for spawn logic. Herb, then bloom, then vine. Once planted, apply half a water charge to the herb, a full water charge to the bloom, and 1 fertilizer to the vine. This combination causes staggered growth ticks that the engine checks for. While they grow, interact at the specified growth marks, first at 10%, then 50%, then fully, because those interactions flip internal flags that allow the rare magnifying glass event to appear. You finish by inspecting the central bloom once all 3 plant flags are active. The magnifying glass typically appears adjacent to that plant, ready to pick up. If it does not appear after 3 growth cycles, make sure you replant the exact sequence and repeat the timed interactions because the spawn requires that precise pattern. If still stuck, clear a nearby inventory slot and relog to force a spawn table refresh. This often resolves stuck events and lets you claim the magnifying glass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.